This is the BMW E38. And depending on who you ask, it's either the last real BMW 7 Series or just an overrated old luxury sedan. But here's the truth. The E38 was the last time BMW built a flagship that felt like a driver's car first and a luxury car second. And that's why people still talk about it today. The context: in the mid-90s, the luxury world was simple. Mercedes made the most solid cars. Audi made the most technical ones. And BMW made the most exciting ones. The E38, launched in 1994, was BMW's answer to the huge Mercedes W140. But instead of building a tank, BMW went a different direction. They made the 7 Series lower, lighter, sleeker, and more driver-focused. It wasn't a limousine. It was a sports sedan in a suit. Why people love it? First, the design. The E38 is one of the cleanest BMWs ever made. No oversized grilles. No weird lines. Just perfect proportions. It looks expensive without trying too hard. Inside, it's the same story. Real wood. Real buttons. No giant screens. No touch nonsense. Everything feels solid and logical. And then there's how it drives. With smooth inline-six engines, strong V8s, and even a V12. This wasn't just a luxury car. It was a big sedan that actually felt alive on the road. The icon status. The E38 didn't just age well. It became an icon. It was the car of executives, politicians, and the mafia. But its biggest moment came in the transporter. Jason Statham driving a black E38 made this car look cooler than any S-Class of the time. The ugly truth. But owning one today isn't always a dream. These cars are old, complex, and expensive to maintain. The V8 engines are known for timing chain guide failures, cooling system issues, oil leaks. That cheap $4,000 E38, it can easily become a $10,000 problem because parts are still luxury car expensive. Why was the last real one? In 2001, BMW replaced the E38 with the E65. And everything changed. The new car was more complex, more electronic, and less focused on driving. That's why many enthusiasts say the E38 was the last real BMW 7 Series. The last one that felt like a BMW first. Conclusion. So, is the E38 a masterpiece? Yes. But is it a smart buy today? Only if you choose carefully and you're ready to pay for it. Because the E38 may be the last real 7 Series. But real luxury is never cheap.